Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 331. Don't associate contacts with the Authenticated Users Web Role. If you create your own custom web roles for Power Pages, for your users to get whatever permissions are associated with that role, their contact needs to be related to that web role. However, that is not the case for the special out-of-the-box Authenticated Users Web Role. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. When you install Power Pages, you'll get at least two web roles that come pre-installed: anonymous users and authenticated users. These can be identified as those with the anonymous users role or authenticated user roles fields set to true, respectively. The authenticated users role is a special web role where all of its permissions are granted to every user once they've logged in. Unlike with other web roles, where the contact needs to be related, in this case, it doesn't matter if you relate the contact or not. The Power Pages site code grants all of those permissions to every contact automatically. I always recommend not relating contacts to this web role. I believe it leads to confusion for people who may not understand why people have certain permissions. They may compare two contacts, one that is related and one that isn't, and be confused as to why they have the same access. So I think it is better to always leave the list of associated contacts empty. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 331 on don't associate contacts with the Authenticated Users Web Role useful.